Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today's video it is a bit of a different one from what I usually post, which is nail art videos, nail polish related videos, all that jazz, because today I am doing an unboxing and some quick swatches of the Catrice Fall Winter 2024 collection update products. So this box was actually sent out to me, so a big thank you for that to Catrice Cosmetics as well as the PR company that I've been working with for a really long time. I have decided to not do a full voiceover for this video since it is quite a long one. My baby is napping at the moment and he is in his 8-month sleep regression. It's like crazy. He's almost 9 months, so fingers crossed that he will grow out of it soon and I will have a nicely sleeping calm baby again. But yeah, I'm just going to quit the rambling right here. If you want any additional information to these products, let me know in the comment section down below. Oh, and Timmy, my cat, one of my cats, was actually falling into my recording session. He was kind of like, oh, what's that? I want to know what it is. So he's kind of like peeking through every now and then in this video, which you will see in a little bit. Like there's his little ear and whiskers and there he went. But yeah, that's just a little side note. But then again, if you want to know any additional information about these items, let me know in the comments down below and I will try to look it up for you. All of these items are already in stores right now. And yes, if you are curious, I am going to do videos on the nail polishes. I had actually bought the nail polishes myself already. So I do have a couple of doubles and I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with them yet. I might do a giveaway or something. I'm not quite sure. But yes, I will be doing a video, like full on swatch and review video on the nail polishes. But yeah, definitely grab something to eat, like a snack, something to drink, relax, maybe even paint your nails while watching this video, whatever you want to do, because it is quite a long one. So thank you guys so much beforehand for watching. I love you guys so much, and as usual, I hope to see you in my next video as well.